wait, let me think. Yeah. I would describe her na the song is Nasa'y nang lahat. Nasa'y nang lahat. Nasa'y nang lahat. Nasa'y nang lahat.
Oh no!
By the Beatles. It's called Something.
Something in the way she moves.
Something in the way she
PNPC, maraming salamat po dahil hindi kami nakalimutan ni DJ. Malaking parte ang House of Us sa amin ni DJ. At sinashare namin itong Movie Love Team of the Year Award sa mga Kathniels na hindi nagsasawang sumuporta at magmahal ng paglaban para sa amin. Para sa inyo to, and good job, guys!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Unang-una, maraming
from Lazada arrived. I ordered this a few days ago. So time to unbox this. What's inside? Ta-da! I ordered Lifebuoy so I can bring these with me. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I got the small one with refills. And then we got sanitizers. My favorite, the antibacterial hand wash with refills. So I'll be putting this sa mga bathroom here sa bahay so we can clean our hands. So there you have it.
It's a lot.
It's a lot. Yay! Lazada. Alright, so yesterday I showed you the toothbrush squeezer that I got. And today I will be showing you what I got from Lazada. I ordered this like 2 days ago or 3 days ago, and it's here. I ordered this because I want to keep my clothes, especially my laundry clothes, organized when I go back to work. This is a foldable laundry bag. Para pag nasa-set ako, I can just put my stuff here and then separate yung dirty ko from the clean ones. So I got black for DJ and I got gray for me. Let's open it. Ta-da! So here are my orders for DJ and from me. Tan-tanan, laundry. And we got soaps here from Lifebuoy. This is for my story.
Alright. Wala.
Time check, it's 11:04. Work is done. And nagluto si DJ ng food niya. At may nangangapit bahay dito. Every night. So anyway, eto na yung niluluto ni DJ. And we'll see kung successful yung chicken niya.
Let's see.
Let's do it.
Anong itsura? 3,
2,
2,
1. Oh, wait, it's dark. No, it's perfect. Flip mo.
Okay.
Flip mo yung pinakabalat.
Yung balat. Oh.
Yeah!
Perfect! Chigeneru perfect! Arigatou gozaimasu!
Yamiru!
May na po natin ang niluto na nag-iisang DJ.
Paka-spoiled kay DJ dapat yun eh. Okay.
Achievement dito sa career ko.
Okay.
Dito, paborito kong ulam. 555, tuna fritada. Talaga? Paborito mo din to? O tara, kain tayo. Sarap talaga, no? Favorite ko talaga tong tuna. Masarsa. Kamusta naman ang araw mo? Ako, basta kasama kita, masaya na ako. At ito mo to. Oh, teka, may sauce ka. Ayan, okay na. Dahan-dahan ka lang, hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Ako din. Cute mo naman. Okay na ako. Ikaw, start ka na ba? O paano? Ako na ako. Dito tayo ulit bukas, ha?
Okay.